In this video, we're going to show you how to make a climber graph from a data sample that's on a Google Sheet. So in this sample, in this instance, you can see I've already made a table of data for New York City. And this is fictional data. This is not real. I did not get this from any source. I just made this up for purposes of making this video. So you can see I have put the month down here. Okay, January, February, March, April, and so on. I have put what I made up average temperature for the month here in degrees Fahrenheit, and also just a guess as to how much precipitation in inches you would see in this event. Okay, and this is what you would have to do if you're doing the digital version of the climate graph in order to construct the actual climate graph, which I'm going to show you right now. So we did step one, enter the data. So now the next step would be to go down here and click this button, which is the Explore button. And what the Explore button does is it actually looks at your data and gives you some ideas for charts that you can do. So the first one we're going to do is actually what we're looking for, temperature and precipitation. So I'm going to actually insert that into the document and move it down here so it's not blocking my view. Next, what I'm going to do, and I can exit out of this, is I'm going to right click on the graph, okay, and click Advanced Edit. I'm going to go down here, okay, and I'm going to simply go over to Chart Types, and what we're looking for is what we call a combo chart. So you see bar graphs and a line graph. Click on that, and that gives you an example of what you should be seeing. So the bar graphs are going to be for the temperature. The line graph is going to show you the precipitation in inches. Okay, and if you were drawing this out on the climate graph, this is what you would see. Okay, so now you want to do that. You want to update that, and there you go. All right, so that is how you make a climate graph in Google Sheets. Now, if you want to go and this is for one city, if you want to go and make your next city, I would just simply take the information from this one, copy it, make a new sheet. I might click on this and rename this New York City. And I'm going to paste this in here, and I might rename this, let's say Chicago, and then I can always resize these, making them small. Oh, now that's small. Okay, and then again, if I were to, obviously I want to make sure I change my title for my city, and again I go down here and I click my Explore button, and I would do the exact same thing. Advanced Edit, chart type, a combo chart, update it, and voila. And then you can go back into your original document, and you can actually, instead of copying and pasting it into the lab, you can actually insert it in, and it will ask you for a website, or a specific Google Sheet, and you can incorporate it into your actual lab report, just like I did here with the sample. which you'll see here in a second. There you go. So here I just inserted a chart from a sheet, and then you locate your spreadsheet that you have it on, and then it will incorporate this into your lab report, and make sure that you do it for each city. And then I copied and pasted this right from this. So I took this, copied and pasted into the lab sheet, and that's all you should do. I hope that helps.